Shoot. Yay! Oh. Baba tayo, baba. So many egg. Mia! Where's the egg? Where's the egg? Shoot! Yay! Swim ka? Ayun, punta ka dun. Dito, baka may egg. Look for egg. Gusto na? Show your egg. Wow! What color? What color is that? What color? Huh? Purple.
A talking bird. What's this? Do you think it's this? It's a parrot. Who's that panot? A parrot. Very good, baby. Alright. Thank you. Next. Wait, how about this? What do you think is this?
What is that?
Weapon. Shoots bullet and shell. Here or here? Here? Are you sure? Yes, it's here. Very good. And of course, last. What are you doing? Alright. Now, next round. Ready? 1, 2. Let's make it slowly. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Where is the ball? Left or right?
Where's the ball?
Again. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3. Ha! Where's the ball? Left or right? Huh? No, left or right on me. Huh? No, left or right on me. No, it's not on my mouth. It's on my right. Of course, to make this magical ball, we need to use the help. We need to use the magic wand. Where's my magic wand, kuya? Right here. Alright, again, we're going to use the magic wand. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and ding, 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 ding. Did you see the magic? No? Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3. Ding, 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 ding. Did you see the magic? No! Alright, let's see if it's turned into a magical ball. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, find the ball. Where's the ball? Left or right? Huh? Where? I'm here? Are you sure? I'm here? Are you sure? Oh, it's here. So again. 1, 2, 3. Oh, where's the ball? Left or right? Huh? Left? Right here? Here? Are you sure? Are you sure? Oh, it's on my right. Or left. Again. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3. Where's the ball? Left or right? Huh? Left? Left? Are you sure? Oh, it's here. Are you having a hard time? Wait, because they're already holding 2 balls. I'm just kidding. No, I'm just kidding. Alright, let's do the next magic. Okay, for my next magic, I'm going to use a small piece of cloth. What color is this? Red. Now, let's put it on my left hand. Watch. Let's put it. 1, 2, 3, 4. And of course, we need to use a magic wand. Very good. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ding, 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 ding. Did you see the magic? No. You know it? Oh, sorry, but the magic is this. Oh, this is the magic. The small piece of cloth will magically disappear. Watch. How? Here. Huh? I know that trick. Okay, how about this trick? Do you know this? This time, we're going to use fire. So, kids, don't stand, ha? Don't stand. I'm going to use a fire. Can you hold this? Can you hold this? Yeah, fire. Fire. Alright, again, we're going to use fire. So don't try this in your home, ha? It's dangerous. Oh! Look at this, watch. How about this, watch. This is the magic, watch. Magic! earn your mom just only 100 pesos. Ano ko next? I can give it to you. It's part of my act. Alright, how about this? Everybody kids who wants to see a rabbit? Huh? You want to see a rabbit? But the question is, yeah, is there's a red rabbit? Huh? Do you see a red rabbit? Of course not. How about a yellow rabbit? Huh? Where? Ay, over here. Over there. Alright. How about a white rabbit? Of course, there's always a white rabbit. Very good. But this time, you will see the rabbit in the middle of this tree. Hanky. Everybody shout, rabbit. Louder. 1, 2, 3. Say rabbit. And everybody shout the magic word. Happy Easter. Rabbit. Alright, and you will see a rabbit. Ready? 1, 2, 3. A rabbit. Ay, wala. Let's do it again. Ready? Everybody count. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and everybody shout rabbit. One more. Make it louder. 1, 2, 3. Everybody say rabbit. Rabbit. And here is the rabbit coming out. Wow. Rabbit. Where's the real rabbit? You don't have a real rabbit. Is this a rabbit? Yes, right? It's a rabbit. How about duck? You wanna see a duck? To have some prizes, raise your hands if you want. Again, now we're going to have a games, and for the first follower game, we're going to play the newest game in town called Bring Me. Bring Me. Again, for our first game or follower game, we're going to play the Bring Me game. So everybody can stand up. Tayo po tayo lahat and go to your mom and dad is. Again, go to where your mom and your dad is. Yes, and tell them to open up their bags or their wallets. So yun, because most of the alright. Wala nang gagalaw. Don't move. Okay, now Miss Pam will choose a color. Ready? Alright, you are our kids hiding under the color green! Ay, ang dami agad! Alright, thank you so much for joining.
What is that? Face paint. Face paint yan? Hi, Kap. Hi. Face paint niya.
Saan ko lalagay mo?
Freeze ka lang, freeze. Freeze. Ganda. Nay, kumain nga siya dito. Hindi naman siya dito. ng cream.